Hello everybody. So today's video is actually a little bit different than the other ones for a multitude of different reasons. I was actually unable to do like a time-lapse thing on these. There was some kind of corruption or something with that memory card, and I got to get a new memory card for that particular camera. However, what I was able to accomplish off camera was the floor is completely done. I've got the polyurethane laid down on it. Here's my little center section and my my little threshold. I don't know if you can see it in the light. Let me try to get it better. I'll come from the outside looking in. If you see this kind of threshold thing that I did here, kind of cool. And then in addition to that, I have all the trim. These pieces here in the corner there, all the trim. And then over here, in this corner here, you notice that the trim up here and right there, the trim stops a little short. And that is because in this area right here, there's going to be a counter going to coming out a little bit, and up in this corner right here, there's going to be a little cupboard. I actually haven't built those yet, so they're not installed, but I will certainly be doing those in the days ahead, weeks ahead, whatever. I'm in the process, now that I've got all of this done, I'm now in the process of trying to get back to working on the bike. I have to finish that up, and I've been getting a lot of comments from people asking me, hey, when are you going to get back to the bike? And I will be getting back to it as soon as possible. There's a couple of things, I don't want to bore you with details, but there's some things going on that have prevented me from getting back to that. But I will be doing that in the very, very near future, because I know that in past videos I had mentioned, yeah, I'll be getting back to it in like a day or two, and that didn't happen. So anyway, the shed, this side of it, got the light installed up in the, that's a real low profile LED light that you can change what kind of output it has, the color of it. Kind of a cool feature. But anyway, so the shed is done, and I had all of my computer gear that was in here. I had removed that during the finalization of doing this other side of the shed. I mean, I thought about, plastic sheeting and blocking off that side of the, but even that would have, there would have been that minuscule, minute sawdust all over everything. So I just got everything out and had it in storage elsewhere. And then once everything was done and dry, and then I brought it all back in. And that's what I'm doing today, is actually working on the other videos that will actually precede this one. But this one is actually kind of the final video in the shed thing, unless I do some videos on installing the counter and the cupboard, which I may or may not do. I don't know yet. But anyway, so that is my video for today, and I certainly hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and all that stuff. Have a good day, everybody. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Today's episode is brought to you by Lead Shed Productions.